Silver traded bullish last week, hitting the highs at 32.80. Yes, erasing the losses, all the losses from the preceding candle. It is closed at the same levels, 32.50.60, which is indeed a greater resistance zone. Also notice it has taken the support from the 20 period moving average. So what to expect in the coming week from silver? Can we expect it to break out beyond 33.40 zone and move all the way towards 34 and 35? Staying in this bullish channel, or there is a possibility of a reversal, as you can see this is the first candle which has appeared after a series of bullish candle, and this is time for it to take a dip. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators, and towards the end of the update I'll be sharing the trading levels. Do watch till the end. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates for silver, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Now, when you look at the weekly charts, you can find out, see, this was the major dump which silver has taken for multiple weeks. Then taking the support, we have seen it bouncing back, and it is right now trading in this retracement channel. This is indeed a bullish channel, and this is under retracement. Also notice very important point that it has to now trade below the 20 period moving average, which suggests it has to trade below $31 levels. Then and then only we can confirm that the bears are back in silver, and you can look forward to a move all the way towards 28 or 26 levels. Else, as long as now $31 levels are respected, and in fact I will include 30 as well. So 31.30 is going to be a very important support zone, that is between $30 and 31. If this zone is taken any point of time in near future, you can say that now the bears are active. Also notice on the weekly charts, you see this is forming a head and shoulders. The second thing here is you can see higher lows are seen consistently. The lows here are far below towards 29-28 zone. So this is something you should keep an eye on. Also, the moving averages are trading bullish on the weekly charts. Now, when you look at the stochastic on the weekly charts, divide this into two, you can find out a symmetry here. And what preceded was a stronger rise from right from the bottom. And if you complete, you can find out there is still lot much of scope for the stochastic to continue trading on the downside. But when you look at the MACD on the weekly charts, rise retracement, higher lows, higher highs. And now it is possible because see this is crossed over and this is trying to trade bull. However, very important point to note that the divergence is very minimal, so yet it has to decide the direction it wants to take, and the coming week is going to be the stepping stone in that direction, because once it trades beyond 33.10 levels, we are looking forward to a move all the way towards 34. However, look at the RSI, this is looking upwards, staying bullish. When you come to the daily, now notice on the daily charts what has happened. See, first this was the sharp correction, it was trading bearish here. It has now started to retrace. See, the slope here was sharp. Now the rise is bit gradual here. This is a retracement channel in which it is trading. And now as long as 34 and 35 levels are not taken, we should not be treating this as reversal. Now notice what has happened. Hitting the highs at 33.10, 33.40, we have seen prices taking a sharp hit. It has retraced again. And if you look at the movement, this is the same zone from where the drop was seen. It has come towards the same levels again. And the next important thing here is, see, after exhausting, or you can see after bulls getting exhausted, we have seen the first red candle, and in all probability the first trading session in the coming week might trade or might invite more bears here. Now, very important for silver to now trade below $32 levels. That should be a very good support. 3160, 3150 the next, and 31 the ultimate. As it breaks these three levels, the bears are going to pitch in, and then we will look forward to lower lows. Lower lows means it is possible that first it may try to move towards 30 and then in fact towards 28. Though very early to conclude, because right now it is at the verge of a breakout. A move beyond 32.80 and 33 in the coming week should invite more bulls, and then we can look forward to another good bull run. Because see, rise retracement, and it is again back to this path where it is under retracement or hitting higher highs. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and the third one could take it all the way towards 34.20 levels. Look at the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD on the daily charts, it was trading with a fat belly here, it is now converged. This crossover is very very important, because see, after a good rise it is retraced and now crossing over. This crossover may take the prices all the way towards the top here, and hence the coming week is going to be very very important, and the levels at 32.85, 33.10 and 33.40 are going to remain the most critical levels for silver to break beyond. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to 4-hour chart, look at the 4-hour charts, the crossover in the moving averages, trading with divergence is staying bullish. You can notice this is how it has been trading. Higher lows, higher highs. The highs here are far beyond towards 33.50, $34. While you can also notice that it has taken a very good support from the 20 period moving average, and taking the support here, it is trying to bounce back, and hence the first trading session in the coming week is going to be very very important, because I can see a flag formation. However, it will be nullified if it trades beyond 32.85 and $33 levels here. This is something you should keep an eye on. Look at the stochastic, this is dropped. It is trying to bounce back on the 4-hour charts, while the MACD, after a good sharp retracement, it is crossing over for, and this is not a good sign for the bulls, because see, it has seen a sharp rise. Now it could try to erase some of the gains, and this is in sync with the daily charts. You can find out that the first couple of trading sessions are going to remain pretty important here, where the bears might try to take the prices lower, and where you will find 32 and in fact 31.50, 60, or in fact 31 as a greater support. And how strongly it provides the support, that is something you should watch out for, because once these levels are taken, the bears will attack here again. The RSI here trying to look upwards, suggestive of slight bullishness. Coming to monthly chart, on the monthly charts, one very important point is the support silver has shown so far for last multiple months at around 28.80, $29 levels. I have shared this several times that none of the candles have closed below 28.80, $29 levels. The second thing is the divergence it is showing from the 20 period. It calls for it to converge, but it is not showing any such sign. Now notice the movement in silver, the rise, the consolidation, the rise, the consolidation. So this is how it has been trading here, where it is delivering higher lows and higher highs. The highs here are far beyond towards 35 and 36, while the lows at 29 and 28 are pretty strong support levels. Now, when you look at the monthly chart, see, preceding candle closed in red almost at bottom, and the current one is starting on a bullish note, delivering higher lows. It is trying to bounce back. However, so far I can see a restricted movement here. You can see this. This is how it has been trading. And also notice, look at the candle size here from 28.80 to all the way towards 31.80 levels. $3 of move, and if you count $3 from 31, you can find out the highs which it may try to strike this month could be possibly at 34, because see, couple of red candle, one greener candle, one swing, and the another one could be a greener candle which might take the prices higher. The stochastic is looking upwards. Look at the MACD. This is also trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. Signs are still supportive of further rise. However, not if you see silver trading below 31. Below 31 is where the reversal should begin. And notice the preceding month's low at around 30.60, 30.70. These lows to be taken, where you can say the next move is going to take the prices all the way towards 29, 28, 80 levels. So now we have seen the charts and indicators, and time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I provide you the levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, in the coming week, I will recommend you to buy here at 32.65 levels, very nearby entry point. But yes, if you see it is staying above 32.65, you can expect the next targets are going to be 32.82, 33.05, and if this is taken, I will expect it to move towards 33.40, 50 levels. Now beyond 33.40, 50, this time the targets are directly towards $34 levels, and then 34.25. Any breakout beyond 34.25 should take it all the way towards 35. Now see, this is a breakout move here, and thus it is going to get stronger the higher levels it achieves. And it is possible that once it breaks beyond 34, we can look forward to another stronger move all the way towards 35 as well. So this is something you should keep a note of. Now on the sell side, I will recommend you to sell here at 32. 35, expect 32.15, 31.95, and then 31.70. If this is taken, then stay short for 31.40, and below 31.40 is $31 levels. Now 31 is pretty critical. Below 31 is where we are looking forward to a greater down move all the way towards 30.50 and $30 levels, and below 30 is where 29.20, 28.80, and 2800 should appear. Now notice, if it can rise sharp, it can drop sharp as well, and thus the levels on the downside below 31 and 30 are going to be very you can say far, and these are going to bring stronger momentum on the downside. So take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.